Good morning, guys. Lillian with Lily Ray's Collection. Today I'm going to swatch out all of my Prisma pencils and my watercolored pencils from Arteza. I have the Graphic Derwent as well as the Faber-Castell 24 Polychromos pencils. And the reason that I want to swatch them is because I didn't initially swatch them, and so every time that I want to look at a color, I have to pull out all of my cases. And yesterday, I did this and finished her up. I've already posted her. And I use the watercolored pencils, plus I use the Koi watercolor set. This watercolor set. And so, you know, it takes more time if you're organized ahead of time. So I also have my Caran d'Ache pencils, and these are watercolored pencils as well. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch these as well. I'm going to start by writing the names on this is watercolored paper. This is the leftover pieces. When I cut things off, I just save them. And this is 140-pound paper that you can use for swatching. Also, I'm going to use a ring to put on the corner and hang everything, on the ring, so that I can just pull this out instead of having to pull all of my pencils out. So that's what we are going to be doing today. I'm going to start by using my Crocodile. And let's put all this aside. And I want to keep them in groups so that I don't mix them up. So I think I'm going to start, and I have two here. I was testing these out. This is a Derwent Color Soft, and they're pretty good. I have ochre and I have white. Those are the only two that I have from that collection. But I have too many pencils. So, I want to start out by putting this together, because then I'm going to put this on speed. What do you call that? Time lapse? And, I need my hole punch. Oh, I could use this. Put it on time lapse and then take my time and do everything. Hopefully finish it today. Alright, so this is a We Are Memory Keepers Crocodile. This is 1/8 inch, and on the other side you have 3/16. So I think that I'm going to use the 3/16 for this ring. And so it's on this side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to punch a hole, and the little paper gets stuck in there. All I do is I take my pokey tool and just take that out. So I have, this is just some of the scraps that I have that is 140 pound weight. Oh, that's not it. It's down, where is it? Yeah, it is that. Okay. So I'm just going to poke a hole right in that corner, because that's where the ring is going to sit. I'll try and get them more or less in the same corner. This is going to be a long process, but I'll have it on time lapse. I want to say hello and welcome to my new subscribers. We're almost at 400, and at that time I'm going to be doing 2 giveaways. If there's anything that you guys would like to see, even though this one's a little bent, I'm still going to use it, because it is only a swatch. for now, I think that's going to be enough to get me started. I do have the grommets here. These. I'm going to see if I can use, let's see how these fit. So that it doesn't tear through the paper. Yep. And then you use this front part. This is already set, and this you just pull out or pull up. Yeah, you pull it up and then you turn it around to where you need to have it. Okay? And you see that there. So I'm going to sit it in here and then press. And that one's done. Let's see if I have enough of the silver. Sometimes when you press on this, it locks. So you just have to press on it and unlock it. Actually, let me test this. I think it fits. Yeah. But it's always good to test your items to make sure that they're going to fit. I guess I could use some of the gold ones, it doesn't matter. And I'll be swatching out the front and back of card. If you don't have one of these, it's worth the money. It's a crocodile, and it comes in its own case with grommets, and it works wonders. Okay. So now this one didn't punch too well. Look. See that? But these are only swatches. Oh. I wasn't paying attention to how I was swatching. I mean, putting the holes in. Okay, so these are all good, with the exception of one. So I'm gonna just put this one in the back. I'm going to take one out so we could work on that. And then that just snaps in like that. And you can just hang this. See that? Okay. So the first ones that I'm going to do is put these watercolored by Arteza on this swatch. So I'm going to go ahead and put you in time lapse, and I'm going to get started because I'm sure it's going to take me all day to do this. Alright guys. Alright, this is the last batch of pencils that I have. These are the Caran d'Ache Fan Color, and these don't have the color on the pencils. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch these out just so that I could see what the color looks like on my swatch. But they do not have colors, names of the pencils. So I'm just going to go ahead and swatch them out. Alright guys, I just swatched this out. I did not hit record when I did it in time lapse, so you won't see this one. And also the Jane Davenport one. It's the magic wands. These are her colors. I did swatch these out, but it didn't record. So, and then these are the Color Soft Derwents. I only have 2 of them because I was testing them to see if it was worth getting them. But with all of the pencils that I have, I don't think I need any more pencils. Alright, so let me put, let me see. This is the Julie Nutting one. This is the skin tone. And, the ones I usually reach for are the Prismacolors, but I'm going to have to start using these skin tone ones because that's what I look for. I guess I completely forgot that I had. So this serves as a reminder that, you know, you have other pencils. Let me see, I'm going to have to turn that one around. Oh, I'll leave it like that. Okay, so this you can put on a nail, and that's done. It was done quicker than I thought, so now I can look at these and know, you know, what I need to do when I am going to do my faces. Alright, what else do I have here? I have the Jane Davenport watercolored. So I put them in a bigger palette. These are the brights and the neutrals. I do have these swatched out. Plus she has, see, this is nice because you can see what colors you have. So these are the neutral ones, and then these are the brights, and they're both in here. So I just try to keep that attached like that. Okay, and then here I have the Winsor & Newton believe I have these swatched out. This comes with a little brush, which is great for travel. And these are definitely swatched out. And then, oh, I have my, this is the gouache. All you have to do is spray this to reconstitute them again, and you're good to go. And I put 2 drops of glycerin in each of the palettes, in each of the wells, so that they don't get too hard. Alright. I also have this, which I've used twice. I still have to figure out how to put this on that it comes out as smooth looking as this. It never does. So this is something else I want to try and work with more. And this is the Jane Davenport acrylic set. Alright guys, well, this is all that I have for you. My Tombows I have here. I don't know that I've swatched these out, but the colors on the cap are pretty accurate, so maybe that's why I haven't done it. And also the Jane Davenport mermaid pens. So these are the mermaid pens, or rather markers, mermaid markers. So that is all that I have for you today. Please leave a comment below, like, share, and subscribe if you want to see more videos. Take care.